Today, millions of people are searching for an opportunity to be in business for themselves. A way to live life the way they want to live. A way to get ahead. Just like you, they're tired of the rat race, the long commutes, fading job security, difficult bosses, too much work for too little pay, and ultimately, they want to enjoy what they do. Now is the chance for you to finally get ahead, because what we're about to show you could put you on a path to a better future. Just imagine if you could have started a business at the beginning of the computer revolution or the internet revolution. Now you have an opportunity to start a business in the multi-trillion-dollar telecommunications revolution. With no special skills or past experience, no deliveries, no bosses, and no set hours. FDI is a cutting-edge telecom company that's giving Americans a better way to communicate. We're leading the charge in the telecommunications revolution. The first to bring together the flexibility and low cost of digital phone service. A true nationwide mobile network, state-of-the-art mobile and stationary telephones and video phones, and wrap it all in a true voice-activated and voice-to-text system, empowering productivity and saving lives. Here, we offer substantial upfront commissions, the ability for long-term residual income, and best of all, a time-tested, proven system that anyone can follow and start making money immediately. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn about this amazing company and how you can reach your financial destination and obtain the lifestyle that so many people only dream about.